Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to my practicing session. Today I'm going to discuss about phonetics and linking word, which I am learning these topics. Actually, phonetics is very important. There are 44 sound of 26 letter. They are so difficult to learn because I am Bengali. I am English is my second language. For this reason, I can't pronounce rightly. For this reason, I learn phonetics from 2 or 3 days. I have been watching phonetics video. Phonetics video is most important if you want to correct pronounce in any English word. Without phonetics, you can't pronounce rightly. So this time I am exercising on phonetics. Phonetics is very important thing, element of English language. If you pronounce any word, you need correct phonetics type a sound. So I need more practice to be grateful my sound. Also I was linking word. Linking word is most important because when you speak English, your English will be relay, not fast, not like a native speaker. If you want to speak English as a native speaker, you need linking word, linking about knowledge of linking. Come on, come on, come on, hurry up, look at me, hold on, hold on, do you. These types of sentence is more natural. If you speak English naturally, you need this kinds of connection. Connection word is more important. Linking word is more important. If you connect with two words between no pause, no sound, so your pronunciation will be different. Basic English and faster English is most difference in this side. He is a doctor, and faster English, he's a doctor. I'm a lawyer. My father is a good teacher. These types of sentences can be smooth your language. So if you want to speak like a native, you need some connection word. If you use properly, your sound will be different, and your sound will be as a native speaker. When they speak English, that time you can't understand what is your accent. Today I watched a video of Indian YouTuber or teacher. She's a teacher. good teacher. She is a woman and she is a good man, good teacher. I at first I can't understand the who he is. Is he foreigner or Indian? Indian or other countries? I listen carefully. The sound is not natural, like American or British. That time I searched her YouTube channel and I find she is a Indian woman. His hard pronunciation and speaking capacity is so nice. I watched her video and learned something very good. I understand her speech, but uh, American accent and British accent is more smooth. When they talk on any topic, they don't pause. Their sentence is smooth, like smooth. He's a doctor, he's a father, I'm a lawyer. Do you go? Would you like? Could you like? Would you mind? Would you mind having a cup of tea? Would you mind have a cup of tea? Have a cup of coffee? These types of language they use. So linking what is more polite, more smoothness, it will be helpful for your English capacity, English learning, English language. So I am trying to learn phonetics and connecting word, linking word. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Is cup of tea, cup of tea, cup of tea. Have to, have time. I have to go. I must go. But Bengali we pronounce I must go. I must go. They pronounce I must go. You must go. You must go. You must go. There is no pause. But every word you can understand. Every word you can understand very nicely. So if you listen the broadcast of British accent, you understand. If you watch the video traffic of BBC Earth, BBC Service, BBC News, BBC Learning.com, you you follow their speech is very smooth. They speak English very smoothly, no hesitation. They don't need long time. They use both two words. There is no different, no pause, no sound. So in the evening, in the evening, in the evening, there is no pause, but in the evening. So if you want to learn smoothly, if you speak smoothly, if you want to be a great speaker as a native speaker, you need to learn phonetics and connected word. So I am trying to learn. Pray for me, inshallah. I will be able to speak English fluently as a native speaker, and I try to achieve it heart and soul. Pray for me, and I will give next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.